welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sponsored video from Naipo. I hope I'm saying the name right. I'm not really sure, but the company reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing the neck and back massager that they have. And I said, sure, why not? Because I'm always interested in looking for something to relax the back muscles, the neck muscles, and so is my husband. So this is a neck and back massager. You can see it setting right here. After I tell you a little bit about it, then I'll give you a demo and tell you what I think of it. But it will do your back and your neck. It will do your upper and middle and lower back. And then the seat vibrates and it'll do low, medium, and high. And then it has, it'll do rolling, kneading, shiatsu, and a vibrating massage. And it also has heat, and it shuts off after 15 minutes. I don't know if I said that or not. And I like I said, I had one. It was a Helmetics, and I liked it, but this one seems to be much better than that one. And this one has a function that I really love, because sometimes we get in the car and we drive for a long time, and I'll say, oh, if I only had something to massage my back. Well, this has a car adapter, and I am so happy. When I saw that, I was like, this is a game changer, because now you can take it in the car if you're on a long trip and massage your back or your neck. So now it is $179.99, and I do have a discount coupon code for $30 off, and I'll put the link and everything that you need, all the information to order it if you're interested, down in the description box. But I just really think this is a handy feature. So let me turn, get situated, and I'll show you what this is actually like. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Another feature, naturally, it has a remote. They all do. And it has a little pocket to store your remote in. And it also has a really nice feature here. It has a Velcro strap right here that you can Velcro it onto a chair with. Now let me show you what I love about it as well is this neck. But it has heat. You can see the heat is up there and it's down here. Now we'll just do the neck first. So I'll put it on the neck. And I'm considerably shorter than my husband. And when I sit down in this massages my neck perfectly. But if you're a little taller, all you have to do is hit this up button as many times as you need. And the little massagers keep moving up, and it gets to where it will get his neck perfectly. So I thought that is really nice. You don't have to, say, oh, well, it's one size fits all. No, it's very customizable. And then here's the heat. So let me turn the back on. We'll do a full back massage. And I'll let you see this for a minute, and then I'm going to sit down in it and actually tell you what I think of it. But as spoiler alert, I've used it and I really do love it. Okay, so let me go ahead and flip the camera around, and then I'll tell you what I think of it. Okay, guys, I'm going to sit down in this. And I hope you can see, but oh my gosh, it gets right in your neck where you need it. It feels so wonderful. And the heat, it's just like having your own private massage at your house. I love it. And my other one that I told you that I had felt like little balls kind of just going up and down your back. Well, this, it feels like someone is kneading with their hands. I really do love it. I hope you can see it really good. It feels really good, especially on sore neck muscles. That really feels good, and the heat feels nice as well. So, I just wanted to hop on there and show you that. And another thing, like I said, I do love the car charger. So I'd like to thank Naipo for sponsoring this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.